Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you about English proverbs. We all know that proverbs have been there since ages and they have been spoken over hundreds of years. We find our older generation using them frequently in their conversation. What are the proverbs? Proverbs are the short sentences which contain a lot of wisdom, advice, and at times some caution or warning. Knowing these proverbs will help you to speak English fluently, because if you learn and start using them in your conversation and in your writing, then your communication skill will get improved and it will be appreciated by all and you are going to feel good about it. So let's start with our list of proverbs today. The first one is, it takes two to tango. It means in any situation or arguments, it is minimum two people who are involved and they both are responsible for the outcome of that situation or discussion which they had. Because अकेले हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. I can use it like this. Mohan said that in their discussion it was Johan who created the ruckus. I would tell him that it is not correct to say so, because he is also equally responsible for it, because it takes two to tango. My second proverb is, action speaks louder than words. A man is known by his actions, not by what he speaks. People's real attitudes we get to know by what they do or perform in the society. We find our politicians, they promise us a lot, but they don't deliver. So they should be told, action speaks louder than words, meaning kathni se karni badi. Now the third, the early bird catches the worm. It means that those who take timely actions and start early, they are likely to finish their task properly and well in time, which will contribute to their success. The students should be told to come and attend the classes in time and finish their homework in time so that they become good students and they get good grades. They should always be told, early bird catches the worm, जो जागत है सो पावत है. Next, do not judge a book by its cover. People should not be judged by their outward appearance, because sometimes they may look simple, but they must be having a lot of knowledge in them. So, and other way around, some people, those who look very simple and innocent from outside, are generally crook. So one should not judge a book by its cover. It is only by dealing with such people you get to know the real worth and value of them. A rolling stone gathers no moss. It means a person who keeps moving from one place to another place in search of a job or for any other thing will remain unsettled, and he is not likely to get status or responsibilities in the society. That's why it is said, लुढ़कते पत्थर में काई नहीं लगती. इसको यूं भी कहा जा सकता है, धोबी का कुत्ता न घर का न घाट का. Now I will come to the next proverb of mine. Do not count the chicken before they hatch. Sometimes we presume things and start making our plans accordingly. Things are yet to happen and you should not be planning much beforehand, because things may turn out that way or not. It is usually used in negative sense, सेक चिल्ली की तरह ख्वाब, मत बनाइए। नेक्स्ट, Rome was not built in a day. We all know that important tasks are not completed in a jiffy. It takes a lot of planning and concerted efforts to achieve them. That's why we should be patient and know that for bigger aims to be achieved, one has to keep on working relentlessly. हथेली पे सरसों नहीं जमती। Next, easy come, easy go. It means any wealth which is gained in an illegal way does not stay with us long. So any advantage or money which comes to us through foul means is not likely to stay with us, and we are likely to spend it. That's why we say चोरी का माल मोरी में, ill got, ill spent. Next, he gives twice who gives in thrice. Thrice means quickly, in a moment. One who helps others immediately is more helpful than others, because any action taken later or delayed will not be of that great help. That's why we should not neglect others' sufferings and concerns and should come to their help immediately. That's why it is said, Turant Daan Mahakalyan. Now I come to my last proverb, which says that only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Very aptly said that only those who are going through the sufferings or in distress will actually know the pain they have to undergo. Other people who are out of it may not be able to appreciate the real sufferings of such people who are in the turmoil. That's why it says, जिसके पाँव न फटी बिबाई वो क्या जाने पीर पराई. Now a quick revision. It takes two to tango. Action speaks louder than words. Early word catches the worm. Do not judge a book by its cover. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Do not count your chicken before they hatch. Rome was not built in a day. Easy come, easy go. He gives twice who gives in thrice. Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Okay friends, here I finish with my video. If you have liked this video, I will request you to subscribe to it. It will encourage me to make such videos in future also. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Jai Hind.